Hi again. Well, today there's not a lot of hand sanitizer out there. I don't know if you know that, but you can't find hand sanitizer at any of the stores now. So I've got a way here we can make some hand sanitizer. So I got some isopropyl alcohol. This stuff is 99%. And I got some aloe vera. Got that off Amazon. It's a big jug of it. And got some lavender oil, and got some little bottles. That's pretty much all we need for doing this. So what we'll do is I got a measuring cup. I'm going to put 2/3 of a cup of this alcohol in here. Let's see how that goes here. Okay, so 2/3. Let me turn it down here. You can see what we're doing. Okay, so I'm going to put 2/3 in here. There we go. And then I'll put 1/3 of this aloe vera in there. So 2/3 and 1/3, so I'll fill it up to 1 cup here, and that should pretty much and a little bit more. There we go. There's a cup. So I'll stir that up. And I got this lavender. That sort of smells like alcohol there. But I'll put some of this, about 8 to 10 drops of lavender in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There. Let's have another one for good luck. There we go. And then you stir that up. And I'll put it in the little bottle. And there we go. We got some, you can stick that in your pocket, or whenever you go and pick something up, touch something. Give it a couple of squirts. Give it the 20 seconds. Until it disappears, I guess. But also, this is good for when you're traveling. When you're at home, of course, use soap and water. The soap we're talking about the coronavirus now. The soap will actually break down the outer shell of that coronavirus and render it like dead, pretty much. So use soap. Don't just rinse your hands. Use soap, water, lather them up good, wash them really good. Get the thumbs. Don't forget your thumbs. Don't forget your wrists, and you guys should be okay. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe and like it and all that stuff. Bye bye.